Hello students, you are watching online science class. We are here to present all the topics of the science from class 6 to 12. If you really like the content of our channel, please like and subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get the information of next video. So dear students, today we are going to start the topic that is from class 8, chapter number 3, synthetic fiber and plastics. This is the part 2. We will provide the link of part 1 in our description section. Polyester. Polyester fiber does not get wrinkled easily. Hence, a fabric made from this fiber is easy to wash and does not need to be ironed, which make it suitable for dress material. Polyester is made up of two words, poly, which means many, and ester, which is a chemical. Ester are a chemical which give fruit smell. Some common name of polyester are terylene, often known by brand name Dacron, which can be drawn into very fine fiber and can be woven like any other yarn. Polyethylene terephthalate. This is very important because in examination, generally this is asked to write the full form of PET. It is used for making wires, films, bottles, utensils, and other products. Use of polyester. Since polyester is strong, wrinkle resistance and water resistance, it has several uses. It can be used to make a variety of textile, including saris, curtain, dress materials, and can be blended with natural fiber like cotton and wool. It used to make film, magnetic recording tapes, etc. It used to make sails of sailboat. It used to make water houses for firefighting purposes. Blended fiber. This is a very important. Blended fiber are formed by mixing natural and synthetic fiber. Polyester is often used in blended fiber. For example, polywool. It is made by mixing polyester and wool. Polycot. It is used by mixing polyester and cotton. Terrycot. It is used by mixing terylene and cotton. So these are the example of blended fiber. Please learn it and revise it. The name of different type of the blended fibers. We will see an example of blended fiber, that is the polycotton. All of you know that polycotton is formed by mixing of the polyester with cotton. So it having a special property in comparison to the polyester property. These are the polyester property, these are the cotton property, and this is the polycotton property. So what are the other property which are included? It having no shrinkage, affordable, keep shape and color, breathable, soft, and less fading. Besides this, they are having property of durable, dries quickly, less wrinkle, and less fading of the polyester. And cotton property, that is soft and strong, easy to dry, dye, and breathable. So what is this? Actually, this is the having all the property of the polyester and cotton. Acrylic. Acrylic is a strong, lightweight, and warm synthetic fiber. Some of you have listened the name of acrylic with the paint which are used generally in houses and different type of the utensils. It available in number of color and is more durable and affordable than natural wool. Acrylic fiber, fabric, plastic or paint are all made from acrylic acid. The word acrylic means containing acryl or acrolein. Acrolein is the sharp and bitter liquid and in onion and has its roots into two Latin words, acer, which means sharp, and olere, which means to smell. So this is the word acrylic, which are rises with the help of acer and olere. Acrylic is strong, lightweight, and warm synthetic fiber that resembles wool. It is available in nature of color and is more durable and affordable than natural wool. Why storage of acrylic cloth is easier? Woolen cloth need naphthalene balls to protect them from attack by insect. Acrylic is synthetic wool and is hence resistant to the action of moth and insect. Uses of acrylic fiber. Acrylic can be mimic wool as well as cotton at the time and is hypoallergic in nature. It means that people who have sensitive skin and can wear it easily. Some acrylic fiber are very resilient more than other natural or synthetic fiber. It can be used to make woolen cloth like hats, scarves, gloves, sweater, blanket, and other home furnishing fabric. Make it used to make fur, used for making toys and fur accessories. It used to make garment for babies as the fabric is machine washable. Characteristics of synthetic fiber. All synthetic fiber are manufactured by processing of raw material of petroleum origin in number of ways. The raw material of petroleum origin are called petrochemical. All of you know about the Reliance refinery where the petrols and diesels are obtained from the petrochemicals. So these are the byproduct of the petrochemicals. Synthetic fiber melt on heating. If the cloth catch fire, the fabric made up of synthetic fiber will melt and stick to one's body. Hence, it is recommended that one should not wear synthetic fiber cloth while working in kitchen or laboratory because it is very harmful. If it will catch the fire, it will stick to the body and harm your skin in very deep way. Plastics. Plastic is a polymer like synthetic fiber which can be molded into different shapes. The word plastics originates from Greek word plastikos, which means that it can be molded or shaped. Plastic polymer can have different types of arrangement of monomer. Plastic can be recycled and used. It can also be melted, rolled into sheet, made into wires and colored. Advantage of plastics. It is very lightweight, lower price, good strength, easy handling and not reactive. Does not rust like iron when exposed to water and air and does not corrode easily. It poor conductor of heat and electricity. This is the very important property of the plastics why this is used too much in our daily life. All of you have seen that in our houses many things are made with the help of plastics. Plastic and its type. If you will collect the different objects from your home, you will find the object is made up of different type of the plastics. So we will understand the different type of plastics. First is the thermoplastic. Thermoplastic is a plastic which gets deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily. Example, polythene and PVC. They are used for manufacturing toys, combs, car grill and various type of container. Thermosetting plastics. They are some plastics which when molded once cannot be softened by heating. They are called thermosetting plastics. Example, bakelite and melamine. Bakelite is used for making electrical switches, handle of various utensils, etc. Melamine is used for making floor tiles, kitchenwares, etc. So these are the two types of the plastics. You can find it very easily in your home. Some objects are made by the thermoplastic and some objects are made by the thermosetting plastics. We can understand with the help of the spray diagram. Plastics are two types. Thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Plastic which can be deformed and bend easily on heating are known as the thermoplastic. Thermoplastic are often used for making toys, combs, various types of the containers. Example are polythene and PVC. Polythene. It is mainly used for making plastics bags. The term is made by poly, which means many, and ethene, the monomer for polythene. PVC. Polyvinyl chloride is strong but lightweight plastic. It can be rigid, which is used in construction or flexible. It is used for making bottles, non-food packing and blankards. It can be made softer and more flexible by adding plasticizer, which can be used for making flooring, imitation leather, electrical cable, insulation, inflatable products as a rubber, alternative etc. Thermosetting plastics. Plastics that cannot be softened by heating after being molded once are known as thermosetting plastics. The common example are bakelite and melamine. We have told earlier about the bakelite. It is poor conductor of heat and electricity, hence it is used for making handles of utensils, electric switches, etc. Melamine. It is versatile material which is fire resistant and can be tolerate heat better than other type of plastics. Hence it is used for making floor tiles, fabric that resistance fire and kitchenware. Special use of plastics. Besides being used in packing for food and non-food items, several daily used items such as furniture, electrical switches, sleepers, plastic has a special use such as it is used in healthcare industries for packing of tablets, syringe, doctor gloves, number of medical instruments and thread for stitching wounds. It is used to make cookware used in microwave oven. It is used in non-stick coating and cookware made of a special plastic called Teflon is used on which oil and water does not stick. It is used the fire resistant uniform for firefighters made of melamine. So these are the special use of plastic. So all of these are uses are very important. Plastic and environment. All of you know today non-biodegradable form of the plastic become one of the very serious situation for our environment. So plastic is a threat to the environment. As all of you know, it is non-biodegradable. Its disposable is a big problem. Biodegradable. What is the meaning of biodegradable? All of you have listened this word in class 6. Material which gets decomposed through natural process such as bacterial action is called biodegradable. Non-biodegradable material which cannot be easily decomposed by natural process is called non-biodegradable. How do plastics cause environment pollution? Plastic cause pollution as they are non-biodegradable and release toxic fumes when burned. Hence, it causes air pollution. 5 R's to minimize the environmental damage caused by plastic. It is very important. First is the refuse. Do not buy things we don't need. Reduce. Minimize the use of plastic in our daily lives. Next is the reuse. Reuse the item we already instead of throwing them away. Repurpose. If we are not using something, alter or change to use it in different way. So this is the very important way that is known as the repurpose. Recycle. Some plastic waste can be sorted and made into other things in recycling factories. These help us to reduce our carbon footprint. Carbon footprint is the level of the carbon dioxide in our environment. So this picture helps to understand the importance of the 5R, that is the refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose and recycle. If we will follow these 5R, we can save our environment by the harmful effect of the plastics. So these 5R is very important for minimizing the harmful effect of the plastics. How can we minimize the pollution caused by plastics at home? We should use jute bags. Many of all of you, whenever going market, you can see most of the things are purchased in the plastic bag, which are thrown here and there, and this will cause very harmful effect on our environment. So what we have to do, we should use jute or cotton or paper bags instead of plastics. We also need to minimize the use of plastic in our daily lives, such as using steel lunch box instead of plastic one, and also we should not throw plastic on the road or in the water bodies. If we will follow these some of the important steps, we can minimize the pollution caused by plastic at our home, and we will play our important role for saving our environment by the harmful effect of the plastics. Thanks for watching complete video. Please, dear students, like and subscribe our channel to get the information of the latest video. We will present our next topic very soon. Please like and subscribe our channel to get the information of the all topics of the science. Thanks all of you.